2005 F-150 in the shop today. Customer states they had their spark plugs replaced and a fuel filter done, and the vehicle is still misfiring. Check the codes. Found a P0307, number 7. Vehicle has 125,000 kilometers. Pulled number 7 spark plug. Looks like some blow-by was going on to find that the spark plug was hand tight. See all the build-up from having a loose spark plug. Some good quality auto lights. That could definitely cause a misfire. Borescope cylinder and everything looks good, so hopefully put a new spark plug in there and get them by for now.